This lesson is on the definition of a fraction. A fraction is simply a part of a whole, and so fractions are written in the form a over b, where a and b are whole numbers, so we don't want them to be decimals, and neither a or b are 0. The denominator is the bottom part of our fraction, so here on my fraction of 1/4, 4 is the denominator. And 4 represents the amount of parts our whole is broken into. So if you imagine that this circle is a pie or a pizza, we can see that it's broken into 4 different spaces that are all equal. That's what our denominator represents. Our numerator represents obviously the top of the fraction. It represents the number of pieces of the whole that you have. So here, notice that 1 is filled in sort of clumsily, and so 1/4 is my fraction. So I have 1 piece out of 4 pieces is what that means. This is also called a rational number because it's written as a ratio. A ratio just means a fraction. So for the first couple of questions, we're just going to write the fraction that our figure represents. So the first thing that we do is we count how many spaces total we have. And notice these are evenly spaced. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. So 8 is my denominator of my fraction. The numerator represents how many spaces I have filled in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 filled in. So that is my numerator. So 5/8 is the fraction. Here's one for you to try on your own. So give it a shot, then press play to see how you did. This is a 6-sided figure broken into 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is my denominator. My numerator is how many are shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. 5 out of 6 is my fraction to represent this picture.